Hello aspirants, welcome to Bank Geology channel. This video is about APPSC Technical Assistant Mines and Geology Technical Assistant paper, Geology paper. In previous we are discussed about hydrogeology paper and this is about geology paper. First question: surface area of the earth is 510 into 10 to the power of 6 kilometer square. Okay, 510 is common, but here is the, see here, 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 4, like that. But here is the correct answer is the 10 to the power of 6. Okay, 510 into 10 to the power of 6 kilometer squares. Okay, next question: age of the earth is approximately 4.5 billion years. Okay, 4.5 billion years. Outer core extend from dash to dash 2,900 kilometers to 4,982 kilometers. Okay, 2,900 kilometers to 4,982 kilometers. Hypothesis for seafloor flooding was first formulated by Harry Hess. Dham discontinued is at 2,780 kilometers దగ్గర ఉంది. Seismic wave velocities attain their maximum value in the earth is at lower mantle. Seismic waves velocities attain their maximum value at the lower mantle. The strongest among Himalayan orogeny is Sermurian orogeny. Sermurian orogeny. Principle of uniformism was enunciated by Hutton. Principle of uniformism is Hutton. In deltaic structure, the top set bed consists of coarse and fine materials. In deltaic structure, the top set bed consists of coarse and fine materials. Natural levee is an example of floodplain deposits. Natural levee is an example of floodplain deposit. Volcanic fissures through which CO2 are emitted are called mephitas. Which of the following dunes are having multiple slip faces? Star dunes. Which of the following dunes are having multiple slip faces? Star dunes. Solifluction and gelifluction were the important process of mass wasting during Pleistocene. Solifluction and gelifluction were the important process of mass wasting during the Pleistocene. According to Walter Pinnock's concept of geomorphic cycle, slow uplift of land is followed by periods of accelerated uplift. Average value of Poisson's ratio for rocks is 0.25. Feather joints are formed due to shearing. Okay, feather joints are formed due to shearing. Next question: folds without axial plane may called as monoclines. AB tectonic exhibits penetrative planar fabric. How domes and basins are represented in a geological map? Concentric circles. Scoop structures are associated with thrust faulting. Gravity faults are formed under tensile stress regimes. Head of fault is 90 degrees minus dip. Disconformities can be easily distinguished with the help of a significant break in paleontological record. Next question: if one face can be brought into the position of the other by reflection or inversion is termed as enantiomorphic forms. Once again, if one face can be brought into the position of the other by reflection or inversion is termed as enantiomorphic forms. Next question. Hexaoctahedral class belongs to cubic system. Next question. Dome is characteristic feature of orthorhombic and monoclinic. Birefringence of calcite equals 0.172. Birefringence of calcite is equal to 0.172. In the periclane law, the composition plane is a rhombic section. Okay. Brachipinacoid face is parallel to A and C axis. Brachipinacoid face is parallel to A and C axis. In the Hermann-Mangian symbols of the cubic system, the second position coincides with the normal to face, triple face. Alvin group of minerals belongs to neosilicates. Which of the following is a rare form of silica? Coesite. Mason's test is used to distinguish Mason's aragonite and calcite. Mason test is used to distinguish aragonite and calcite. In the structure of Alvin, the layers are parallel to front pinacoid. Saussurite is an example of alteration. An alteration product of Saussurite is an alteration product of lime feldspar. Anorthite is a typical mineral of granulate fist faces. Ring silica structures are the characteristic of hexagonal and trigonal systems. Sanidine is a characteristic of potash-rich volcanic rock. Sanidine is a characteristic of potash-rich volcanic rock. The ore that yields two or more metals, copper. Magmatic segregated ore is chromium deposits. Magmatic segregated ore is chromium deposits. Who introduced the term of xenothermal to Lindgren's classification of ore deposits? Buddington. Who introduced the term of xenothermal to Lindgren's classification of ore deposits? Buddington. Clinton type of iron stones are hematite, chamosite, siderite rocks. Clinton type of iron stones are hematite, chamosite, siderite rocks. Next question. Which of the following is an endogenetic deposit? Fumarolic deposits. Chondritic manganese are well developed in Eastern Ghats. Nalamalai group of rocks is characterized by copper and lead. Nalamalai group of rocks is characterized by copper and lead. When most of the minerals are euhedral, the texture is described as pendiomorphic. When most of the minerals are euhedral, the texture is described as pendiomorphic. The rock cyanides are characterized by predominance of alkali feldspar. The rocks cyanides are characterized by the predominance of alkyl feldspar. Carbonates do not occur as large protons of batholithic dimensions. Lamprofires characteristically exhibits in pendomorphic texture. Lamprofires characteristically exhibits in pendomorphic texture. The rocks dominantly composed of quartz can be classified on the basis of QAP diagram. So, first 50 questions in this part. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Thank you, friends. Please comment about this class. Thank you.